Good evening, ladies and gents. This is Narcan Medic here with a follow-up video to the DRZ auxiliary lighting. I know it's been a while, this video's been overdue, but I thought now would be a good opportunity to show you how these lights have performed. So, gosh, I don't know when I uploaded that video. It was a while ago, months ago, and so I've had some time on the road with these lights, and I guess I could do a brief review of them. They have performed with aplomb. I love them. They're doing just fine, exceeding all expectations of on-road, off-road, high temps, hot summers, pushing 120 to right now we're in our coming up on our cold season. Hit the road, you know, they're doing great, both cold weather, hot weather, inclement weather, you name it. For the price, I have no complaints. The only thing I could say is if you're into like hardcore weight savings, they're not the lightest kit, but if you're like me and you're just a casual rider slash enthusiast, you're gonna find they're gonna meet all of your needs. So enough of me blathering about my opinions of the product. Let's go ahead and give you a demonstration here. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn the bike on and leave the headlights, the high beam off, stock headlights. My switch is going to be in the off position for the supplemental lights. We're going to go ahead and shine them at a bay door right there. So right now the illumination that you're seeing is purely from my camera because it's pitch black here in the shop. So let's go ahead and start it up. Okay, so that's the stock headlight. Okay, stock high beam. All right, stock headlight. Now we're going to go ahead and turn on the auxiliary lights. Right now that's there, you can barely discern my high beam in there. Low beam, high beam. So what I did is when I installed the lights, aimed them at a wall, and I just kind of made sure they were level this way, and then you just have to pitch them out to meet your needs depending on how you're going to be riding, trail riding, road riding. I will tell you, these lights are so bright that I don't turn them on when I'm riding on the road. I mean, they are blindingly bright, and I can't imagine them being DOT approved by any means, but I'm no legal expert, so I can't comment on that with any certainty, but what I can tell you is for your off-road needs, these lights are going to exceed your expectations for the price. So anyways, thanks for stopping in tonight, and hopefully I'll get some more DRZ videos up for you. It's been kind of busy, kind of crazy with this last year, as you all know. But hopefully get some more ride time on this bad boy, and I'll catch up with you guys. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, saved rounds, bitches or gripes, go ahead and throw them in the comment sections below. I'm pretty prompt to get into them. This is Narcan Medic, and just catch you on the next one.